Sunday today. Usually I'm very lazy on Sundays, but today I figured to try and get some stuff done. It's cool enough to wear a hoodie out, so that's nice. I like the cool. I don't like it hot. But the plan today, or plans. I got the Quest moved over to this side of the shop here. That's where Mama parks her vehicle. So I get everything all cleaned and organized and whatnot, so I can get the four-wheeler actually moved to the back half over here by the deep freezers. The front half, I'm gonna get my Suzuki back in here because I do have a parts rig out there. I figure where I put my coffee. But anyway, cleaned out, swept out, enough room for the wife's vehicle. My son's wheeler, and I gotta check on the clutch because it seems like once she's warmed up, it don't want to shift the best. When it does shift, it'll surge or clunk, either the reverse, lower, even the high. It doesn't matter what you're going from. So there's something with the clutch system, either belt or probably the one-way bearing. My brother said could be. So that's in here for now. I can fit my Suzuki in the front. It's on a little two-doer. Get that worked on and whatnot. But now the fun part of dragging my nice air compressor out and around, and I don't know if I can even get you. Yeah, way back there someplace. Yeah. So that's what I'm doing, and looks like I want to change the battery, and I gotta find my coffee. It's important. Coffee, very important. I'll get back to you. All right. Forgot about recording this and that. So anyway, I got the cover off for the timing belt. Got the alternator off. I'm gonna use that. Keep that. This here's the water pump. This here is perfect. It's beautiful. It don't wobble and rattle like the other one. I was trying to figure out the way in which the adjuster pulley or whatever the frick this thing is called sits. So now I'm working on actually just taking this off. I got everything loose. It's just a process of getting it all off. And then drain and disassemble that to get at that one. But I'm gonna have to get some I can't even think right now. Yeah, can't think right now. Get that stuff that goes in there between everything. There we go. That's what I gotta get. Get the stuff that goes between everything. Alrighty then. That's one thing down. I just gotta clean it up and go to Napa tomorrow. So. Oh, and I want to try and get the top off of this thing. And then there's I want to get the side markers. I thought about taking the fender off, but she's pretty rusty on the bottoms of the donor. I'm not gonna mess with that. So anything else I could think of for off this here spare motor, I don't know, you like some of these deals. Maybe I'll take off the housing, take off the plugs and the wires. Maybe I'll keep the belt too. I mean, she looks fairly good. It looks actually really good. Not sure what else. Let's see here. Oh, something I want to point out with these rigs. Every single one I've ever had where the belt sits like this, correct? Right where the water pump is, the pulley, it always chews into here, or you'll see where the belt chews right across here. Not a freaking clue why. I don't get it. So anyway, that's it for now. So yeah, fun stuff. All right, so take the radiator out, finish draining it, undid the top hose. I'm gonna attempt to, I had to take off the fan shroud, then I can work on the radiator. It's just a couple bolts each, done. Finish draining like I said, and then I might attack the fan, loosen up the alternator, get the belt off. These are some of the goofiest hose clamps, and I've only ever seen them on Suzuki. It could be on the Toyotas, I don't know, or other foreign vehicles. It's the only one I've come across is on my Suzuki. My Benz don't have it. My Toyota Corolla don't have it. I don't know. I might take these here off completely and replace them with an actual hose clamp. Like this here. Got that up there. So anyway, that's all I'm doing. I'm gonna try to get you guys set up here. Only one bolt at the tops, and this will come out. Lower unit or lower hose has come off now, and I'm about to take the whole thing off. Then this will come out. Kind of. Well, there's oil in it, but there's nothing on the dipstick. So, yeah, I don't like that. I'll get you out of here. Yeah. You know what? Maybe I'm gonna change this. I think here too, before I put it all back together. Maybe she's sitting that long enough. It was overheating. There was no problem with the oil. Oil pressure is fine. It looks like the color of oil after you've run it for a while. Maybe just because it's never been touched, and I don't know how long or how the guy before me ran it. So maybe it just needs a little bit of care prior to reassembling it. So now I've got this far, though, I might contemplate taking that power steering out of the other one, this donor, and putting her in here if she looks like she'll bolt up. But that might rob a lot of power off this little freaking 2.5 pony rig. The rated, I think I read it where the rated like 96 horse, which compared to a lot of vehicles nowadays, that's pretty sad. But I didn't get it for the power.
fetch a wrench. If you can't get a socket in there, but you can get your wrench, but you need more leverage, believe it or not, that works freaking amazing. Doing it that way. I forget who the hell showed me that. Look at that. Look how it's easier with the radiator out of the way. I can actually get that lower bolt here, so I can loosen this up so I can get this here built off. This here, unfortunately, on the backside, there's bolts, 4 of them. I gotta take and get those off. I forget how the hell did I do it last time. It's like an 8mm wrench, but I think I used a vice grips or whatnot to hold this here. Because when you do that, it wants to turn this whole thing. If you hold the shaft, it works great. Yeah, can you see that now? Oh yeah, look at that. It's not supposed to do that. So, I gotta get another thingy for my nuts and bolts. I can't just throw them all into a container like I said before. If you watched any of my other videos, I can't do that. I have to separate it, or I will be completely lost on what goes where. So, but yeah, there was a little bit of oil in there because I stepped into here a little bit, and I actually have footprints all around. So somehow oil got into this. Thankfully, that I'm not actually putting brand new parts in it. I'm just taking off donor parts. So that being said, it's kind of nice in the same sense, so that if I do go put new oil in it, I do all this and blah blah blah, and something goes wrong, something else goes wrong, I'm not out a lot of money then. And that to me is, well, that's a win in a sense. Because then I don't have to worry about that. So, oh, okay. Why is that not moving? Mr. Garrison? What's you moving, Mr. Garrison? Did I? Where in the hell? Oh, there it is. I was like, where is my freaking thing? Wrong bolt! That's funny. That's funny. Wrong bolt. How in the... Yeah, I got... That's a good one, guys. I got this one. There it is. Totally wrong bolt. I don't know how to manage that one there. Oh, ooh. All right. I don't like being in there like that. How can I? Let's see if I can not break any knuckles today. Oh. Not just a little skin. Fine. Okay, I should not have to take that off. Just loosen it. Because this radiator works wonders. Wait. Still kind of tight. Ooh. Okay. Belt replacement is going to be needed. one of the grooves on the inside. Gone. Yeah. Okay. Replacement of that. Not too worried about it. Okay, what I got for time here? All right. Well. Oh, what in the Sam hell? Is that why? I had a hammer here. You know what? It's not gonna take too much. Looks like a rock is in the groove on the water bearing. That would explain that. Let's see something here. It was a rock. Or something. Got wedged in there. You fucking kidding me. Well, I mean, whatever. Okay, well. That was interesting enough. Man, I gotta check everything else. God, that is so bad. Oh, Lord. That's probably why it's fitting into the sprocket cover, not sprocket cover. The timing belt sits behind this black cover here, and you can see where the flywheel has actually chewed into it, which is common on the last couple ones Zooks have owned, particularly just the Suzuki. I had a Geo, same thing, which is Geo. It was made by a company, I believe, like Calamy. I might be saying it wrong. Based out of Canada, who made Suzuki Sidekicks, but rebadged them as Geos. Same damn thing. Kind of like the Dodge Raider that was made by Mitsubishi for Dodge to be in the compact to compete with Chevy's Geo and Ford's little Bronco 2s, which I think they're neat looking little vehicles. I'd like to have one, but you can't seem to find one that hasn't completely rusted out. The only thing that's good on it, probably the wheels, maybe the engine. Everything else is shot. And those are known for having a bushing. I don't know. The bushing was poor for the reverse, so it would go out when you'd lose reverse from what I've heard, but they might have upgrade kits for them. I don't know. Anyway, I do believe that this, I don't think I could take it off directly this way. It has to come off with a small little wrench. Let's find out what size it is, eh? Now we'll continue this when I figure this out. Alrighty then, figured it out. So, use a wrench, 15/16 and sheet. It is a very, very nice fit. Works great. And then I, of course, was not thinking, and I was pushing down when I got to pull up. So now I got these all loose. Get them all going. I did take the fan off, as you can tell. That was another 10 mil. They came off. That actually gave me a little more room. No idea how to tell how the clutch works. I'm assuming it works, but I know this thing is actually kind of burger trying to turn, so I know damn well that it was screwed. It should spin freely. So, all right, I'm actually gonna stop here today. I got other stuff I gotta get done around the house quick, and then I will resume this tomorrow. On that note, I want to let you guys go, and I got some other shit to do around the house. So.